close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech dot. Today I will explain the ChatGPT for SEO, 5 best cases of ChatGPT for SEO keywords researching. Let us start the
ChatGPT is transforming the landscape of SEO keyword research. Imagine having a tool that can analyze vast amounts of data and generate keyword ideas in seconds. With ChatGPT, you can identify trending keywords, discover long-tail variations, and even understand user intent behind searches. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. You can ask it to generate content outlines based on specific keywords, helping you create targeted articles that resonate with your audience. Plus, it can assist in competitor analysis by suggesting keywords that your rivals are ranking for, giving you a strategic edge. And let's not forget about optimizing existing content. ChatGPT can recommend improvements and additional keywords to enhance your SEO strategy. By leveraging this AI, you can save time, boost your rankings, and ultimately drive more traffic to your site. Embracing ChatGPT for SEO is not just smart, it's essential in today's digital landscape. Artificial intelligence is transforming SEO, and one of the most exciting tools in this space is ChatGPT. This powerful language model from OpenAI can supercharge your keyword research like never before. Imagine brainstorming relevant keywords in seconds. Just input a topic, and ChatGPT generates a comprehensive list for you. But it doesn't stop there. It can analyze keyword difficulty by assessing search volume and backlinks, helping you prioritize your efforts. Need high-quality, SEO-friendly content? ChatGPT can craft engaging blog posts and product descriptions that are rich in keywords. Plus, it can analyze competitor content to uncover gaps in their strategy, giving you a competitive edge. And let's not forget about meta descriptions and title tags. ChatGPT can whip up catchy, optimized options that draw clicks. By leveraging ChatGPT, you can save time and elevate your SEO game, driving more traffic to your site.
start with these captive questions. The spending hours of keywords research content creating the SEO effects with the AI. The briefly introduce your experience of the search. The purpose of video today, we are dividing into world ChatGPT's how to realization your SEO strategy. Explore to top 5 uses of these cases to help you are achieving ranking and driving more organic traffic. Briefly outline the key points of cover video, give you viewers roadmap. Clear the define ChatGPT as the powerful AI language modules that can be generate human quality text. How it works. The brief explanation content large languages modules, how they have trained mass data sets. Relevances to SEO, like how to ChatGPT able to understanding generate text can be leverage of first SEO talks. Keywords research with this traditional keyword research, briefly discussing challenges traditional keyword research method. The ChatGPT by the keyword ideas demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to generate list of relevant keywords for given topic. Keyword refinement explain how to use ChatGPT to refine keywords based on screen intent to competition. Long tail keywords discovery show show how ChatGPT helps uncovering valuable long keywords. The keywords clustering demonstrate how to use ChatGPT group of relevant keywords into the clustering target connections. The content topic generate show how the ChatGPT brainstorming content ideas based keywords are specified niche. Content outline creating demonstrate how to ChatGPT can help you create details can outline including headlines, sub-headlines. The content writing assistant explain how to ChatGPT can be used writing assistant generating overcome writing blocks. The method description description and title tag optimization. Important meta description title tag. Explain how those elements are impact click-through rate and search engine ranking. ChatGPT Optimize demonstrate how to use ChatGPT generating complete meta description and title tag and the incorporate to relevant to keywords. A/B testing encourage users of test different variations find most of effective one. The SEO use content processing. Explain how ChatGPT can be used to repurpose existing content, different format, blog posts, and videos. Social media content. Show how ChatGPT can help generate engine social media posts and captions. Email making. Demonstrate how to ChatGPT can instant craft effective email subjecting